Hey friends, if you wish to prevent users from getting inside builds in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now we have a path here. We'll go to that path. The path is HKey local machine software policies Microsoft and Windows. You'll definitely reach this path because you're using Windows. Now you will have to create a key under it named preview builds. Okay, if it doesn't already exist, and it doesn't exist, so right click, select new key preview builds. Okay, and in the right pane you will create an entry named allow build preview. Okay, right click, new D32 build value, allow build preview. Double click on it, make sure that the value data is 0 and click on OK. I'll explain what is happening here. So this value says that allow build preview means you should be allowed to install preview builds. But if the value data is 0, it means that it's disabled. If you change it to 1, then you will be enabling it. But you don't need to enable it separately. If you need to allow it, just delete this entry. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.